While preparing for history optional, every aspirant faces many challenges. Memorizing facts and dates, forming interconnection between different topics, achieving conceptual clarity, and navigating through numerous study sources. But under the guidance of Manikant Sir, you too can score 300 plus marks in history optional like our toppers. Continuing the tradition of excellence, the Study IAS by Manikant Singh presents new history optional batch, starting with modern Indian history classes in English medium from October 10. This course designed by Manikant Sir offers regular classes where Manikant Sir himself will cover the entire syllabus. Intensive answer writing of UPSC previous year questions in class. The most innovative approach to mapping. Weekly assessments to evaluate your progress. Comprehensive test discussions and model content. And holistic study material, eliminating the need for additional reading. The only option for history optional for past 33 years. Manikant Sir. So join us and be a part of Manikant Sir's successful legacy and make your history optional preparation simple. For more information or course registration, call 700-207-0025. Registration link for free demo is in the description below.